Julia Janae, Court TV legal correspondent, joining us live with the latest in another one of the trials we're covering here on Court TV. R. Kelly, who is in federal court where they don't permit our cameras. They don't permit our microphones. If you don't like that, folks, like I don't like it, send a letter to the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. In the meantime, Julia Janae, you've got all the information for us today. That first witness still on the stand earlier today.
She was on the stand earlier today, Jane Doe number 4, Jerhonda Pace, but she is finally done. And this was something that came with an added level of urgency because the judge said she could go into labor at any time. You can see that in some of the sketches from inside the courtrooms. That was something that was for sure on anyone's mind who's watching her, having to testify about what she says happened to her when she was 16 years old. But overall, she was a very confident woman to witness on the stand, very straightforward in the way she answered her questions. And really, even on cross-examination, she did not change her tone. She did not change the way that she reacted to the questions from the defense attorney, Devereaux Canick. He asked her about whether or not she lied about her age on several occasions, and she would just say, correct, that is correct, yes. She said that she did have a fake ID, or she wrote that she had a fake ID in a settlement. Another tough thing that she had to answer, an uncomfortable moment, talking about the $1 million that she was paid early on in the civil case back in 2010. But this jury is walking away now with a complete story after 2 days of Jerhonda Pace being on the stand.
That's a fascinating issue, Julia, isn't it? The payment of $1 million, because, okay, you're trying to attack the credibility of this accuser, but on the other hand, the guy sitting in the chair paid $1 million to make it all go away. So that's kind of like a double-edged sword to a certain extent. Anything else of note today inside the federal courthouse in Brooklyn?
Well, I will say that Pace, there was a moment when she was on the stand that she broke down sobbing when she was reading from her own journal. And I think we have an excerpt from that journal entry where she's talking about the last day with Robert Kelly. She said she went to Rob's house and Rob called her a silly expletive. Rob slapped me 3 times, told me if I lied to him again, it's not going to be an open hand next time. He spit in my face and in my mouth. He choked me during an argument. I had sex with him. I had oral sex with him. Then I became fed up with him, went home and confessed. By confess, she means she went home and told her mother what had been happening, that she wasn't in school the times that she said she was, or at someone's house. She was actually going to the house of the defendant. So even though this was cross-examination, really an emotional moment there in the courtroom, balancing what she went through and what she testified that she went through, but also some of the lies and those settlements that she agreed to 10 plus years ago.
Okay, big case. Julia Janae in Brooklyn tonight. Thank you so much.